How to edit vendor names on products in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you how to do so step by step. It is actually very easy and simple to do, so let's just go in and get to it and show you how to do it. Now, there are two different ways. If you want to do it for only an individual product, it's going to be easier. If you want to do it on bulk, it's also going to work, and it's also very easy. So first, you will need to just log in into your Shopify admin, and then from here, you just want to head on over to the product section. Once you click on product, you just want to select the product that you want to add the vendor. So as you can see here, we can see the product name, status, and we can also see the vendor. So we wanted to change this. In that case, all we need to do is just go and click on the product. And then here we can just scroll down a little bit and just keep your eye on the right panel. So it's going to be right down here. So you can actually see from the product organization tab, you should see product type, vendor, collections, tags, and so on. And basically this is the vendor where you can just feel free to change it. So we can just do test and click on add test. And now pretty much it is saved. And if we just go and click on save, it's good to go. We can actually go ahead and preview it, and it should say the name of the new vendor, which is test right now at the top. So this is pretty much how to do it for one product. And you can feel free to change it over and over. It doesn't really make a difference. So you can just always change it from here. But let's say you have plenty of other products that you want to change that for. Let me just go ahead and add a couple more. Okay, so let's say we have more products now, and you can see by default it's going to be your store's name as the vendor. But let's say we want to change these three, so orange, purple, and the tutorial one, and we wanted to change all of them. Even the ones with that has like some sort of variance is also going to be the same thing. All you need to do to change them all at once is go ahead and first select them, the ones that you actually want, like so. And then you would want to basically bulk edit all of them. So just go ahead and click on bulk edit. It should show up once you select, I believe, one of them. So it's going to be right on top of the actual products. Click on bulk edit, and then it's just going to show us some stuff here that we can change, including the vendor. So here you can just feel free to change the vendor name for all of them. If you don't see it for some reason, the vendor option, you can just go ahead and make sure it is ticked within the columns tab. So just go and click on columns at the top right. And in here, you can just go ahead and make sure the vendor section is ticked. If not, it's not going to show up like this. So once this is done, let me just go ahead and tick off a few things here. So once you have your vendor tab here, you can just feel free to rename one of them. So we can just go ahead and change it to tutorial. And let's say you want all of them to be also the same vendor. You can just go ahead and drag this down until you highlight all of them, and it's just going to change all of them at once. Click on save, and now all of them should have the vendor tutorial like so, except for this one, which is the one we did not edit. So basically this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.